So you've got a lot of water in your system. What can you do to help clean up the system and get rid of that water? We get this question all the time, especially in the hottest days of the summer. And so typically what we're seeing is a couple of things. Number one, that your aftercooler is not performing as efficiently as it should be. Generally an aftercooler is air cooled, and if it's air cooled, it's going to have dust and debris that cakes onto the side of that radiator, and it doesn't run as efficiently as it does when it's clean. So the first thing you can do is clean off that air cooled aftercooler. And that's going to take up about 60% of your moisture right off the top. The second thing you need to look at is, are my filters and my dryer functioning properly? And the first thing that we look at there is the drains, the automatic drains that are generally located at the bottom of the bowl on the filters and also at the bottom of the refrigerator dryer. 90 times out of 100, the bad drain is going to be clogged, and that water that the filter and the dryer is effectively pulling out has no chance to displace down the drain, and so it gets carried on down to your system. So those are the biggest two things to look at. Beyond that, you could have a refrigeration circuit problem in your dryer, or your elements could be clogged in your pre-filter or your after filter. So check those next.